Hello and thank you for stopping by. Yesterday morning I soaked black chickpeas, which looks like this. These are black chana, into the water after I washed about a few times. And this morning they were already softened, and I put it in my pressure cooker and I boiled it about, I would say, 45 minutes on top of what I had soaked yesterday. And once they were all done, I made the gravy, which is made out of this much ginger, this much garlic, 1.5 onion, and this much green chilies. And then I added 1 tablespoon tomato paste. All my these ingredients, which is turmeric, salt, cumin powder, ginger powder, and also I added my coriander powder and my red chilies. I've added 1.5 tablespoon of kasuri methi, which is dried fenugreek, and I made this nice gravy by added about 2 tablespoon, which is this big one, serving spoon of oil. Reason I added more oil, because these chickpeas, they soak up a lot of oil, so I wanted to have enough to make this gravy. Now once this gravy it's already done, I added a little bit of chickpeas just to mix it well, and as you can see, the chickpeas have cooked very nicely. And now I'm going to add this gravy into these already boiled black chickpeas. So this is how it's going to look like, and these are ready to be served. I'm just going to let it simmer for about good 10 minutes so the spices gets dissolved into the boiled chickpeas. These chickpeas, if you look up online, they're full of fiber, full of iron, and it has lots and lots of protein. And in India, and the horses are raised on the farm or at the barn, they feed them these chickpeas, which is black chana. Black chana is known for the healthiest form of dried beans. So please look up all the benefits of eating black chana or black chickpeas. Again, it has to be soaked nicely and boiled nicely. Otherwise, it's not fun to have these chana, because these do take long. So as I said, I soaked them yesterday morning. I boiled it this morning, and for about 45 minutes. And as you can see, these are ready to be eaten. You can have it with plain rice, you can have it with Indian naan or roti, or just have it as a gravy. Just like that, or soupy, in a soupy form, because as I said, these are very, very healthy. So I'll be having it just as it is for my work and at home as a soup. All right, thank you so much for stopping by, and do take care.